In this problem, we're asked to find the equation of a tangent line at the point 3, 7 for the function y is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. We start off by writing down the equation of a line, which is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to the slope and is equal to the derivative of this function. So we have derivative is 2x minus 1. So we substitute the x value into this to find out what the slope is. So it is 2 times 3 minus 1. This is 6 minus 1 and is equal to 5. So the slope here is 5. So we take the slope and this point to find the y-intercept, which is b. So 7 is equal to 5 times 3 plus b. Subtracting 15 from both sides, we get that b is equal to negative 8. Substituting these values back into this equation here, we have y is equal to 5x minus 8. And this is the answer. This is the equation of a tangent line at the point 3, 7 for the function y is equal to x squared minus x plus 1.